Okay, problem number 1 on chapter 7, section 2. They display this information in this problem, which contains the confidence interval, the sample mean, and the sample standard deviation, as well as the sample size. The first part says what is the number of degrees of freedom that should be used for finding the critical value T alpha sub 2. Well, alpha by 2, I'm sorry, it's the sub alpha by 2. So degrees of freedom is equals to n minus 1. So that is the sample size, which is 50 minus 1, which is 49. To find a critical value corresponding to a 95% confidence level, remember that that 95% means you have 95% of the area of this T distribution right here in the middle, right? And so that's 95%, okay? And you have this area right here on the tails, right here, okay? Okay, so if I have a 95% in the middle, that means I have 5% on the tails, right, in total. So I need to divide that 5% by 2. I have 2.5% of the area on this side and 2.5% of the area on the other side. Remember, all these areas, 2.5, 95, and 2.5, they should add up to 100%. Next step is finding that critical value T. This number is 0.025 in decimal. I'm going to write here the area to the right, which is that number, 0.025, and I need to include the information of the degrees of freedom, which is 49. Okay. So let's open the calculator, and remember, guys, when you want to find area, we use inverse T. Either for normal distribution or for T distribution, we use inverse T. This is a T distribution. So we press seconds, bars, inverse T. The area is 1 minus 0.025. Let me remind you about that. When you have this area on the right, you do 1 minus. Okay, because the area that you input in the calculator is the area on the left. Degrees of freedom is 49, and we hit paste, enter, and that's how you get that critical value. So that's how you do this problem with the TI-83, and we'll create another video how to find this critical value with a TI-83, the older model, like some calculator that looks like that. This one doesn't have the inverse T, so it will be a little bit different. But that will be another video.